want to share something for my business owners. Once you start building your credit, you can open up business credit cards. Now, these business credit cards are a game changer because they do not report on your personal side. So that utilization that I was talking about earlier does not matter, because now you could go and max the card if you need to, and it will not show on your personal side, which will not lower your score. Big gem right there. Now, two cards that I highly suggest you stay away from, which is Capital One and Discover. They do report on your personal side. So you might think that you can max it out, and guess what? Ding ding, you're gonna have a little low score because they are reporting to your personal. American Express and things like that really do not. I haven't experienced that, and I am grateful for them. So in the case that I need to use a high utilization of my credit card, they are not reporting to my personal. So my personal is fine while my card is maxed out because I needed it for that moment. You understand? So guys, please keep these in mind. Keep all these strategies and tips and actually take into factor of everything I said and apply them and use it correctly. I'm Nekea, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye guys.